In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install an EA in MetaTrader 5. If you're new to Expert Advisors, think of them as automated trading programs that run inside the MT5 desktop platform and follow rules you've set in advance. Before we begin, make sure you have the MT5 desktop app installed, you're logged into your trading account, and you have your EA file ready. It will usually be in .x5 format, and sometimes in .mq5. If it's inside a zip file, unzip it first. Start by launching MetaTrader 5 on your computer and confirm you're connected to your account. You'll see your connection status at the bottom right. Next, open the place where MT5 stores all of its working files. Click File at the top, then Open Data folder. This opens a system folder that MT5 reads from every time it starts or when you refresh its components. Inside that window, open the MQL5 folder, then the Experts folder. This is the exact location where Expert Advisors belong. Copy your EA file into the Experts folder. If you have an .mq5 source file, MT5 will compile it automatically when you refresh. An .x5 file is already compiled and ready to use. If you don't see your EA inside MT5 right away, go back to the platform and refresh the list. In the Navigator panel on the left, right-click Expert Advisors and choose Refresh. You can also close and reopen MT5. After that, your EA should appear under Expert Advisors in the Navigator. Now attach the EA to a chart. Open the chart for the instrument you want to trade, like a currency pair or index, and choose the time frame you plan to run it on. In the Navigator, find your EA and either drag it onto the chart or double-click it. A settings window will pop up. Review the input section to adjust things like lot size, risk percentage, or other parameters provided by the EA's creator. In the permissions section, make sure the EA is allowed to run, then click OK to attach it. You'll see the EA's name on the chart when it's active. Finally, enable algorithmic trading so the EA can actually place trades. On the MT5 toolbar, click the Auto Trading or Algo Trading button so it turns green. If it's red, the platform is blocking automated trading. Once it's green and your EA is attached, it's ready to operate. A quick tip: watch the Experts or Journal tabs at the bottom of MT5 for messages from your EA, and consider testing on a demo account first to confirm everything is working as expected.